Hey Bardo, today in our hack, it's called mark for future value. I'm going to share my screen. Here you can see the help files. It's using two functions, mark for future value, and it's going to use this thing called replace marked value. What are we doing here? We are basically calculating something here at the end of a profile in the phase 3 and using it higher at the start. So calculate at the end and use it at the start. So how does that work? Here we have the header, here we have the items. If we take this for a spin, then you can see that the header, we're filling it with data. And here we have this thing called number of items. And we have found out that it is 3 items, which is correct. 1, 2, 3. In this last item, we are actually calculating this number of items. And in this end node here, we are filling the marked field. So here we mark the field. And here we're filling that marked field with this input. So how does that look like? Mark for future value, give it a name, item underscore counter. Here we're simply calculating the variable. And here we are replacing this item underscore counter with that variable. It's actually quite simple. So I've been doing this wrong for many times. Well, learn it from me. This is a nice hack. Calculate at the bottom, use at the top. Bye.